We are diving straight into manage your memory usage inside the Brave web browser by turning the memory saver feature on or off. First, open up the Brave browser on your desktop screen. Look up at the very top right corner of your browser window and click on the menu icon, which looks like three stacked horizontal lines. In that drop-down list, scroll down until you see the settings option and click on it. This will open up your main browser control panel. Look over at the left sidebar menu and scroll down to click on the option labeled System. On some updated builds of the browser, you might need to click on a subsection right under System called Performance instead, so keep an eye out for that. Look at the middle section of the screen and scroll down to where it says Memory Saver under the Performance heading. You will see a little switch right next to it that is likely toggled on by default. If you keep this toggled on, Brave will automatically put your inactive open tabs to sleep after a short period, which frees up massive amounts of RAM for your computer. The issue is that whenever you click back onto one of those sleeping tabs, the page will have to fully reload, which can sometimes interrupt video playback or unsaved typed work. If you toggle that switch off, all of your open tabs will remain actively running in the background constantly, keeping your web pages instantly ready without any reload delay. However, the catch is that keeping it toggled off forces Brave to consume much more system memory, which can noticeably slow down older devices or drag your battery life down if you keep dozens of tabs open at once. Decide which mode works best for your system setup, set the toggle switch accordingly, and then you can simply close out the Settings tab. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.